This is an urgent airdrop video. As a matter of fact, Binance just posted that they'll be having a launch pool for this project, which means this project will be listed on Binance very soon. The interesting thing about this airdrop is you're not going to spend a dime for it, and I want to show you how to do it right away. Let's get started. Alright, so the first step is to go to this website, memcoin.org/farming. You're going to need two things to do this airdrop. First, you're going to need your Twitter account, and secondly, you need a MetaMask account or Trust Wallet. If you have the both of them, now let's get started. When you open up this page, the first thing to do is to click on Connect with X. You know, Twitter actually changed their name to X, so whenever you see it, you don't actually have to be confused about that. So you click on Connect with X. The name of the project is Mem, so you need to authorize access to your Twitter account. So click on Authorize App. Alright, so you can see, good job. I've actually claimed, they've actually given me about 690 points or thereabouts. So you click on Yeah, I'm rich, and then that's the first thing. You can see your points right here. Now the next thing to do is memcoin is going on Binance, so you're going to click on it, and this will end in the next 67 hours, so you need to be very fast about it. Now click on Share Publicly on X and click on Post. Alright, so we are done with that. So you just go ahead and click on Collect Reward, and yeah, you can see we've actually gotten it. So click on Yeah, I'm rich, and you can see that my point has actually increased. Now the next thing is to add this emoji right here and memcoin to your username. I'm going to go ahead to do that right away. So I'll click on it and I'll copy this. No, I'll click on edit profile, and I'll go back, I'll copy this right here. Once I've copied it, then I'll go back to Twitter and I'll paste it, then I'll save it. So I'll go back again and click on Collect Reward. The next thing to do is to click on Collect Reward, and you can see I've gotten 6,900 points. I'll click on Yeah, I'm rich, and you can see my points are increasing already. Now the next thing is Tell the World. I'll click on it, click on Share Publicly on X, and I'll click on Post. So I've posted it. I'll come back here and then I'll click on Collect Reward, and that's done. I'll click on Yeah, I'm rich, and the next one is to link your wallet. So I'll click on Link Your Wallet, and I'll click on Link Wallet. I'll click on MetaMask, click on Next, click on Connect, and click on Switch to Ethereum Mainnet, and that's almost done. The next thing is to sign to collect reward. So I'll click on it, and I'll click on Sign, and that's done. They've given me another point again, and the next one is to refer a friend. So I'll click on it. Now I'm going to give you something you're going to do here. So first thing is to change this to potatoes, and then type this code that I'm going to call right now, 5741. This is actually a code of someone I saw on Twitter, so you can use it to do it. I don't have mine, so I'll click on I have friends, and I've gotten it. I'll click on Yeah, I'm rich, and the next one is to follow Memland. I'll click on it and click on follow, and I'll click on follow right now. And I'll go back and click on collect, and it's done. I'll go ahead to the next one, follow memcoin. I'll click on follow, I'll click on follow again, and I'll go back. I'll click on collect reward, and that's also done. The next one is to follow this person right here. I'll click on follow, and I'll follow. Then I'll go back and click on collect reward. Yeah, click on Yeah, I'm rich, and the next one is to follow this last person here and click on follow. Then I'll go back and click on collect reward, and that is also done. I'll click on Yeah, I'm rich, and here you go. We've actually done all of the tasks recommended. So what is left is for them to actually launch this, and then you should be able to claim your reward and send it to Binance or any other exchange is going to get listed on, and then you will be able to sell and make profit. So stay tuned for further information. Guys, we've come to the end of this video. I really hope it is helpful. If you enjoy content like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel. It is very, very important. That's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.